Hello there! In this video, you are going to learn how to use Brave Ads in the Brave browser. Brave Ads provides a new deal, an approach to digital advertising that's completely opt-in, respects privacy, and rewards people for their time and attention. This Brave Ads preview provides an opportunity for people to test drive the Brave Ads experience in our Brave Dev release channel. Token rewards will be available in a future release. Let's get started. A quick note before we begin. Brave Ads uses native push notifications. For Windows users, make sure that your Focus Assist settings are turned off to ensure that you are able to view native push notifications. The first thing you're going to want to do is to download and install the Brave Developer Channel release. Go to brave.com/download-dev. Once Brave Dev is installed, open up your Brave browser, navigate to the little bat logo in the right of your URL bar and click on it. Open up your reward settings. Near the top of the dashboard where it says Ads and Earn Tokens for viewing ads in Brave, hit the little toggle to enable Brave Ads. Beneath the main toggle is a button that lets you access your ads settings. Once there, you can set the maximum number of ads displayed to per hour, with 1 being the least and 5 being the most within a 60-minute session. We'll be introducing even more customization settings in the future. Now that you've adjusted your settings, you can return to your regular browsing until you are presented with an offer. Oh, check this out. Brave Ads has found a relevant offer and would like to present it. At this point, you can either open or dismiss the ad offer. Let's check it out. Don't forget, in the very near future, you will actually be able to earn up to 70% of the revenue for each ad you choose to see with Brave Ads. Thanks for watching.